In Marie Kondo's book, she talks about taking everything out of your bathtub shower area and putting it into a little container and having your items each time in and out. It seemed counterproductive because you want to just hop in the shower, hurry up, get it done, have everything there. Sometimes I already forget to grab my towels and washcloths. So why would I add more to do before and then add more to do after? And how would this be more efficient? It just didn't seem to make sense, but I tried it. I'm surprised at the difference that it makes. And long term, it actually saves me a lot of time. Short term, it seems to add like another step or two. Once you get into the habit, it actually does save some time. It's really unusual. If you knew me before, I had a tub full of everything. People would probably end up dumping over 2 or 3 bottles or containers every shower that they were having when they're visiting or bath. And quite often I would do this. Kondo's idea is to have a little basket of the items that you use. In this container, I have my beautiful Lush hair shampoo. I have my shaver. And then I have, so that I can just easily take it and put it where I want to, shampoos, conditioners, and away we go. So there we have our items that we're going to use today. We're going to use that today as well as our wonderfully folded towel. I used to have the whole area around the bathtub was full of bottles and stuff. It's wonderful to have it all displayed and feel great about all having a pile of stuff, except it's not, because that stuff stays in there every time you have a shower or bath. You have shower gunk, soap scum, dirt. Everything is going to kind of settle on there. Moisture is going to settle there. You're going to get mildew and mold. And like once every 6 months, you're gonna, or a year, or people are gonna move stuff and you're gonna go, ooh, that's awful, it's gross, right? So this is as dirty as my shower and bathtub is. So I don't have to scrub a deep scrub anymore. I don't need those deep cleaning bathtub items. It is going to save me a pile of time and a pile of bad chemicals when I finally decide to go and do that spring cleaning of cleaning my tub. Because I don't have to anymore. I don't need those chemicals to do that deep clean. I'm keeping it clean all the time. Using this container, put things out when I have my bath or shower, and then just setting them back inside when I'm done and putting it in the cupboard means that my stuff is still mine and nobody else is using it because I use bar soap. This helps in container and everything doesn't get all gross. I'm going to grab my stuff, my towel anyways, so grabbing this container is just as easy. It means that the kids won't get into it and flush it down the toilet. The dog won't be licking the soap bar. When people get in and out of the shower, they're not dumping things over. It's not a booby trap. The shower is cleaner. Just automatically it's cleaner because I don't have all those items to catch and hold water and mildew and soap scum. And it also means that I know what I have and when I need to buy more product. Since I've started this, using the basket, I haven't had to use this. Simply wiping out the bathtub every single time after and rinsing it a second might add a little bit more to my shower time, but then it's not an event to go clean my tub and I don't have the chemicals. It also means I know the shower is ready and clean for anybody else to use, and if they don't clean it out, it doesn't take much work to get it clean again. If you are someone who loves, the bottled shampoo and the body wash, your container might look like this. Right? So this is a way that you could make it work for you. Easy way to have it and then store it in your cabinet, in your closet. Or for you, it may look like this, where you have your, I would assume shaving cream is kind of like this size, you know, your shampoos, body wash, and that would be your personalized shower kit. You might decide a container like this works best for you, or you may find it works great for you to kit and everything. You just hang it on your bars. Don't put too much weight on because they will fall. You know, and then there's your shampoos and your, you know, it works, whatever works for you. You may find it works great to, you know, just hang them on the inside of the shower curtain. As long as you're doing it safely and things aren't going to fall on your head. Make sure that they're not going to rust in your washroom. To make sure that they're open and that they're going to drip off. You could be stacking a bunch of them as long as you make sure it's in the wall good. And in your shower, you could install a second bar in the back. A lot of people do this if they have large families, or if they have, you know, adults with razors and then they want to make sure that the kids can't get a hold of anything at the bottom. It could be your hanging space for your shampoos, conditioners, body washes that you don't want the kids grabbing, and to, you know, the washcloths to dry if you've got lots of people in the family. You know, you really could be having a lot more storage space in your shower without having it around your bathtub. So let me know if there's any of these storage solutions work for you, or these different ideas. And hopefully you can have a happier, cleaner, more organized, tidier life.